Welcome all, just out in the garage today. We're going to do the OBD2 port mod on the bike. So I'll show you the parts. Very cheap and easy mod to do. Need this bit, which is I think a 6-pin to the standard number of pin OBD2 port connector, because this is what they've got. This is like Honda, they call it. Most of I found this under Honda on the internet. It's like $16 on Amazon. And then just an OBD2 interface. So this one's a Elm 327. It's the cheapest one. I thought let's gamble on the cheapest, see how we go. It works. And it was like $15. I think it's about 30 bucks. And then I'm an iOS user, so I ended up downloading an app. So the app I chose was 4Stroke. I think it was $5.99 to buy it, to get it all, and it's got multi-screens and all that sort of basic stuff. All I really want to see here is coolant temp and a Tacho occasionally. I'm probably going to just run my maps on my phone, but I can flick across to that app if I want to know these things, just to have a bit of a look. So obviously it sits here, captive, so it's just a simple one. You put pressure here, which I already have, and then that comes off. So that's our OBD2, which needs to then be converted with the pin. So you've got a fair bit of cord, a fair bit of stuff here. There's also a spare, not sure what this one is. Obviously we know we've got the spare headlight stuff up here as well for auxiliary lights. So I'm going to keep this in behind here. So it just clicks together as simple as that, just being careful you don't bend any pins. So that's all in and set. So I'm thinking we'll just retain that here, and this one I might just sort of wedge in between all my, I've got my USB up here, but I can probably get a nice zip tie and use access. There's a little hole here I can use, and probably go around these ones and possibly just mount it somewhere like that. Okay, so we can get a zip tie threaded through this mount, so that might be able to just come and bend around and go around like a collar around this blue bit. So we'll see if that works. Okay, that works fine there. So it comes around and sits there. It's not going to go anywhere. Excess cord just comes and tucks down in here next to in between my USBs, 2 different USB cords. So yeah, so that's all in place. So now it's a matter of just if I turn the motorbike on, it connects via the app, and I'll do a bit of a screenshot of what the app shows.